Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I am Nurma Asyana Hanifah, the student of Islamic Education, Department of UIN Malang. Our topic today, 3 roles of Islamic education teacher in instilling student discipline. I will begin by explaining that Islamic education teacher is an informer, so next Islamic education teacher is an motivator, and the last Islamic education teacher is an evaluator. My presentation will take about 5 until 10 minutes, and I will email the PowerPoint presentation to you. If you have any question, feel free to interrupt me at any time. Okay, before that, have you ever analyzed the teaching and learning activities in school? Who has a role in improving student discipline and how to improve student discipline? Yes, we can analyze that by observing teaching and learning activities of Islamic education teacher in the school. According to an article I read recently in Muhammadiyah Junior High School, the student's discipline is played by the teacher of Islamic education, not the counseling and guidance teacher. I remember when I was at the boarding school, every teacher taught to the student to always be disciplined, because living with disciplines makes life more organized. So let me begin. 3 roles of Islamic education teacher in instilling students' discipline. In addition to teaching in class, as a teacher of subject matter, Islamic education teacher also act as student's mentor in almost activities in school. For this reason, Islamic education teacher build cooperation with other teachers and invite parents to take part in controlling the development of their children's discipline. The 3 roles of Islamic education teacher are an informer, motivator, and evaluator. For the first, Islamic education teacher is an informer. The teacher as an informer is the teacher as a source of students to get information, especially for Islamic education teacher. The role of providing information to students, for the example, the verses in the Al-Quran concerning the virtue of discipline, make the best use of time. Islamic education teacher also should be knowledge of hadith about the discipline's virtues and the tabi'in who have istiqamah attitude and are consistent in Islam. So the second, Islamic education teacher is motivator. Motivation is a very important aspect in learning. Without motivation, it's impossible for students to have the will and enthusiasm to study hard. This is where the role of Islamic education teacher in providing motivation and stimulus from the religious side to further increase ability to do better. Islamic education teacher always been a motivator for students to be more active and more focused in learning. And the last, Islamic education teacher as an evaluator. Islamic education teacher as an evaluator is a teacher assessing students as barometer of the achievement of learning objectives. In particular, Islamic education teachers have the authority to provide assessment to their students. Islamic education teacher evaluations forms cover 3 aspects. There are namely written, verbal, and behavioral. Okay, well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you all for listening. And just to summarize the main point of my talk, teacher is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, competence, or virtue. Especially Islamic education teachers serve main roles in instilling students discipline. There are Islamic education teachers as an informer, motivator, and evaluator. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.